Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be making yogurt using the pressure cooker. It only requires 2 ingredients, milk and yogurt. Let's get started. Add 2 cups of milk of your choice. Now we press saute or sterilize option. It will go for 5 minutes and we press start. So this is an indication that it's already starting to heat the pressure cooker. So when it starts to heat up like this, we switch off. Now we need to put it in a different container for the milk to cool off. We'll let it cool off for about 5 minutes. We'll need to add yogurt, any leftover yogurt you have, but make sure that it's got live cultures. Mostly plain yogurt will work, so we'll need to add about 2 tablespoons. Whisk or mix well. After mixing, we put it back into the pressure cooker. We close and seal. Make sure the nozzle is on, closed. So this is open, this is closed. So we have to make sure that it's facing on the closed. Now we can choose the yogurt option, which is about 8 hours, and we simply press start. Alright, so we'll come back when 8 hours is done. Okay, so it's been 4 hours. Well, let's check how it looks like now. So with this one, there isn't much pressure accumulated, so we can even come closer. See, if I do this, there's no pressure, but it is quite a little bit warm. But I can touch it, it's a bit warm. Let's open. Looks like our yogurt is ready. Right. Okay, let's take out our yogurt. It's ready now. So I'll put the strainer on top of the pot. I'll let it sit here. Now let's prepare our fruits to mix with the yogurt. This is mango. Also blend it. And last, banana. For a smooth texture, put it back and mix it. There you have your beautiful yogurt texture. Just put it very close. Now let's add in our fruits. Our strawberry. Give it a nice good stir. And there you have your beautiful strawberry yogurt. Mix mango yogurt, the banana, so banana is ready, and this is the final yogurty made from the pressure cooker. The strawberry, mango and banana.